Let's check out the 4-point Sheraton located by Tampa Airport Westshore.
Immediately when you walk in, they've got this couch and they've got some cute artwork above it. On the other side of this room, there's a little bit of a dinette area, a kitchenette with a microwave and a fridge. There's also a large screen TV, and also this is the desk for the working area. Then continuing into the room, they have a mirror right outside here, and then this is the bathroom, which was extremely small, but also very nice and bright. This is the amenities that are provided, and then this was a shower tub combo. Then as we head towards the bedroom area, there is this built-in closet, which was small but functional. And they have a large dresser over here, another television. The view is of the highway, but it's actually kind of pretty. And then this is the bed. It was extremely comfortable, and the pillows were especially comfortable too. This hotel cost just under $150. Let me know if you'd stay here.